just been collected. BV13D TF. Hasn't been cleaned yet. It's worked as we've collected it. Lights on. Nice fan, drives really well. No noisy, no nasty bumps or anything like that. Just needs a really good clean. A few little bits of missing stripes and that, but inside.